Are you facing a frustrating error while trying to compile your Java Maven project in IntelliJ? If you've encountered the message, Fatal Error Compiling, Invalid Target Release 1.8, you're definitely not alone. Today, we will dive into this issue and find a solution together. I completely understand how annoying it can be when you think you've set everything up correctly, only to be met with an error message. It can feel like you're hitting a brick wall, but don't worry, we're here to break it down and get you back on track. Let's look at the specific situation. One user reached out with a question about their Java Maven project in IntelliJ. They ensured that their project was set to compile with Java version 1.8, but they still received that pesky error message. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? It often stems from mismatched configurations between your project settings and the Maven compiler settings. We'll go through the necessary steps to ensure everything aligns perfectly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a bonus tip that will help you avoid similar issues in the future. You won't want to miss it. First, the user should check the Java version installed on their system. This can be done by opening a terminal or command prompt and typing Java version. This ensures that Java 1.8 is indeed installed. Next, the user needs to verify the project structure settings in IntelliJ. They should navigate to File, then Project Structure, and ensure that both the project SDK and project language level are set to Java 1.8. After that, the user should confirm the Maven settings in the pom.xml file. They need to ensure that the properties for maven.compiler.source and maven.compiler.target are both set to 1.8. Additionally, the user should check the Maven compiler plugin configuration in the pom.xml. They need to ensure that the source and target versions are also set to 1.8 within the plugin configuration. Finally, the user should refresh the Maven project in IntelliJ. This can be done by right-clicking on the project in the Maven tool window and selecting Re-import. This step ensures that all settings are applied correctly. Fun fact: did you know that Java was originally designed for interactive television? It has come a long way since then, and now it's a staple in enterprise applications. Let's keep that legacy going by fixing this error. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests checking the Maven runner settings. Navigate to Preferences, then Build, Execution, Deployment, followed by Build Tools, and finally Maven. Ensure that the runner is set to Java 8. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests checking the settings in IntelliJ. They recommend navigating to Build Execution, Deployment, and then Compiler. From there, look for the per module bytecode version setting. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution suggests checking your Java home environment variable. Ensure it's set to JDK7 or JRE7. After that, open a new shell and run IntelliJ again. If the issue persists, inspect the idea.bat file used to launch IntelliJ. Confirm that it points to JDK7 or JRE7. Also, verify that your project has the JDKs defined correctly. Lastly, make sure that your Maven configuration specifies the source as 1.7. These steps have helped the user troubleshoot similar issues successfully. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always keep your Java version updated and regularly check your project settings. This simple habit can save you from many headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Invalid Target Release 1.8 error. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Happy coding!